Good afternoon everyone. I am Ibran Samson now, grade 10 Newton, and I am going to make simple circuit.
I have a question.
What?
Can we edit the introduction into the video and start to record
You can submit it tonight, but if you cannot edit it, it's okay.
Okay, so now you edit it like where you put the introduction and
Yes, you can.
how do we do the introduction again?
Just recite your section and performance task number 1.
Itong bigat yung
Single circuit, that's it.
ang practice at pera.
Princess.
So nga, baliktad ka na ita.
Princess.
Baliktad ko na.
Princess Castilla. Escania.
Nang tarap, yung harap.
Richel.
First one, we're going to put 2 batteries.
Princess Laganse. Darlene.
Iso kang tawag ko, baliktad ka.
Althea. Valerie.
Magulo at sweet.
Cyril. Jelia. Rhea.
And some wire.
Angel. And Princess Shantae.
And some wire again. And the switch. And wire. And another wire.
We have to talk in the video, sir.
And let's put now the resistor.
Monday the best.
And another wire.
Ay, may hindi nakapag-submit pa, you can still submit.
Yes.
Your essay.
And another wire.
Kay Mr. Valencia. Essay mo.
And let's put now the light bulb.
You have to submit. Yes. And your kurang detailed task. Ano yung answer? Mga lawan mo ng answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And another wire.
Sa balya mo ito, anong voltage na
And
baterya?
let's change the volts of the battery. To 12 volts.
Maday. Nakaya.
Dito mo na.
Let's see if it's work now.
Itong bigat.
And that's it, the simple circuit. Thank you.